Trouble. How to play. The object of the game is to get all 4 of your pegs to your finish zone first. Lay out the board, and each player picks a color and places their 4 pegs in their matching home zone. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, press down on the pop-o-matic 1 time. If you rolled a 1, every player, except for you, moves one of their pegs in their home to their start space. If a player's start space is blocked by one of their own pegs, then they do not move. If you roll a 2 through 5, then move any one of your pegs that is on the track clockwise around the board the indicated number of spaces. If you roll a 6, then you may either move one of your pegs out of your home zone to your start space, or move one of your pegs that is on the track clockwise around the board 6 spaces. After picking, you get to take another move and pop again. You are only allowed 1 extra move on any given turn. When you land on a space that is occupied by an opponent's peg, then send that peg back to its owner's home zone and take its space. You are not allowed to land on a space occupied by one of your own pegs. If you land on a double trouble space, then you take another turn. If you landed there from a 6, then you only take 1 additional turn, not 2. If you land on a warp space, then move your peg to the opposite side of the board, sending any opponent's peg on either space back to its home. As your pegs approach your finish zone, they move up into it rather than continuing around the board. You do not have to enter the finish zone by exact count. Once you reach it, place your peg on the farthest available space. The first player to get all 4 of their pegs to their finish zone wins.